chainsaw.
Wow.
So,
I always admire art whenever I see it.
I had a couple of guys in this week, and they said, "Oh, if I asked you to do my friend's likeness, can you do that?" I says, "With a chainsaw? It's not a dental tool."
Yeah, do my friends
they
like this with a
expect a lot.
chainsaw. That's pretty cool.
Because usually I just make smooth faces on it, Mennonite faces.
Right?
A guy's face you can actually do, because a guy's face is rough and tough and it's got lots of character, but a woman's face should be beautiful. You know, the easiest way to do that, just leave it plain. Smooth out the lumps.
That looks like Willie Nelson up there on that horse.
Yeah. Willie Nelson with some steroids, because he's got a set of boobs on her.
Oh, I missed the boobs under there. Oh, there we go.
We have two schools that come.
Okay.
So I face the horse this way, but I kind of make the endowment a little bit hidden. Some of the little boys, they still find it.
Oh, it's very cool.
Yeah. No, it's an interesting hobby.
And that's just a hobby.
Yeah.
What do you do? What do you do when you're not wood carving?
Metalworking.
And that's all you do is the metalwork and the wood carving?
Firewood.
Are you retired?
Yeah.
Oh, there you go. Everybody's got to have a hobby. I always tell people, if you want to live long,
Yeah.
have a hobby.
You're going to die at 65.
So where are you from?
I'm from St. Thomas.
St. Thomas.
Yep.
Okay.
Because you didn't come this way from Port Dover.
No.